Now you want to see some beautiful landscaping and flowers. Check this out. I told Karen I would take a picture of this the last time I went up this way. So the way this looks like it's all playing out, I have the tire. It should be here in 2 or 3 days. You never can tell with COVID if we're going to get it 2 or 3 days or not. But yesterday I had a ride on this. Try to do a little comparison of the, but they aren't. There's no bad things about either one of them. I wish I was comparing, you know, a super bad bike, but it's hard not to like either one of them. And the lucky thing for me is I have them both. So I don't have anything to bitch about. I don't know. Anyway, amazing stuff. You wouldn't think this is possible. I don't have my license plate yet. A month and a half into this. The bike will have 20,000 miles on it by the time I get the plate. Unbelievable. I get a flat 3,000 miles into it, 3,500, whatever it is. I get a flat tire. I don't even know if that's my lucky day or not. But anyway, today is my lucky day because it's supposed to be heavenly. It's supposed to be absolutely beautiful out there. And we have motorcycles to ride, and we have places to go and tires to wear out, and hopefully we will not get a flat today. And because fall is already, it's not coming, it's already here, I'm trying to make plans for, and I have a list. I always have a list. There's no such thing as a motorcycle collection without a list of things to do. I'm trying to make a list and then prioritize the list. All the maintenance things I want to do on all the bikes over this winter. Winter sometimes comes in a heartbeat, and all of a sudden you say, oh, well, I'd rather work on bikes today than I go out and freeze. Well, we like to have that list already there. And number two, I want to have all the parts in-house. I have the RD carburetors. I still have to order the fuel pump for the FZR. I have a tire for the R1. I have a tire for this, which I'm going to have to do as soon as possible. And just the general day-to-day maintenance, that's what keeps you young. And if you don't have a garage full of motorcycles, I've heard you age. And your hair gets gray. It could happen. But the truth is, if you stay busy, and I just turned 75 years old, and if you stay busy and stay active and find things to restore and find things to work on, and the golden rule, the absolute golden rule is any day you can ride, ride. Even a short ride, 2 or 3 hours. I found that to be my equivalent of the fountain of youth, and it has worked for me. And when winter finally gets here, we're going to have plenty of things to do. There's always, with a garage full of motorcycles, there's always something to paint, something to polish, something to repair, tires to change, plugs to change, oil to change, filters, buffing, rubbing compound, touch-up paint. It never ends. And at the end of it, you wind up, you don't age. You just stay 75 forever. So all that's left for us is an extra cup of coffee, get motivated, get suited up, and hope that tire gets here in the next couple days, and we'll be ready to hit the open road. Then we'll check out some Halloween decorations along the way. So Karen reminded me that Miles is coming over today to do pumpkin decoration. And today's our big day to get out all the pumpkin decorations. So I want to dig that out before I head out on the open road. Oh, somebody's chopping down a tree right next door. And that pumpkin is ready. When you get back from this ride, they're going to decorate the house. We actually do enjoy decorating for every season. I guess we're just young at heart. We're not really that young at heart.
So I guess we're not the only one decorating for Halloween. Look, I know they're not inflated yet, but sooner or later they're going to all be inflated. I got some pictures last year. I was up this area, and they're everywhere. This guy must be in business or something. My God, he is like the Turbo Steve of Halloween decorations. Unbelievable. A great place to stop every time. This time of year, everybody's decorating.
And there were quite a few people that started their decoration ahead of us. And the back roads were almost empty today. I guess all these people were out decorating. But it's true, Karen and I really do enjoy this every year. We're like big babies. And is it nice when the roads are empty like this? Oh. And these back roads are where the ninja really comes to life. And when there's low traffic on them, even better. Look at the people are waving to me. Oh, I love it. I love it when the babies wave to me. That is so cool when a babies wave to you.
Now you want to see some beautiful landscaping and flowers. Check this out. I told Karen I would take a picture of this the last time I went up this way. Oh my God, what a beautiful... This guy might be a professional landscaper, I don't know. That looks beautiful. And of course a beautiful house. Hey, we live in a beautiful part of the country, like it or not.
And pretty soon those trees are going to be barren of leaves.
You know, little by little the leaves are just starting to change. You can see the beginning of it. But very soon we're going to have some beautiful leaves everywhere. That's coming.
Look at this, they're starting to turn orange in places. This bike has such a nice sound when you back off the gas. Because it's a quiet bike, the sound doesn't really pick up the way it should. And you also always have to deal with the wind noise. There's nothing you can do about it. Now, some of these roads already are starting to have leaves on them, I noticed. And this is how I get my exercise every day. It's a lot more fun than going to the gym, that's for sure. I never was much for going to the gym. This is kind of a gym of its own here, the Ninja Gym. Oh yeah, we're coming up on the season right now. Nature is getting ready to do its thing, and we're going to see it all. And if you're enjoying the video, hey, you'll get to see a lot of leaves too. And when they're in full orange and yellow, it's spectacular. And this doesn't happen all over the world, only in certain spots. And we happen to be in one of those spots. Oh, I love those gold wheels. Woohoo!
Somebody else here getting into the Halloween spirit, I see. That's pretty cool. I know my grandson loves getting ready for Halloween. I don't know if the kids are going to have as much fun this year. Halloween is coming.
I'm sure not many parents are going to take their kids out trick-or-treating this year. Now, this was just 100 miles of pure enjoyment. Anytime you can ride and there's no car in front of you, it's perfect. And all this scenery is a free bonus. But the big thing is to have no cars in front of you. Riding is not the same when there's a car in front of you. I don't know why. It just isn't the same. Gotta find, took me many years to find these low traffic roads. And this was one of those days you wish would just go on forever. Just beautiful scenery all the way. Look at everything starting to turn colors here. Oh my God. And the open road. Open road is always calling. Back home to the pumpkin ranch. I'm sure my grandson's already got the pumpkins. Oh, no, he didn't. Wow, he didn't put the pumpkins up yet. Well, I guess this afternoon we're going to play pumpkins. Is it time to decorate for Halloween? Oh, I saw a lot of houses. The pumpkin agrees. I took some pictures. Yes, I did. Put that coffee on, please. Oh, yeah, it's fun. This is a great time of year. And I know my grandson, when he gets here, he's going to want to play with those pumpkins. So once again, I hope you did enjoy the video. I want to make sure I thank all the healthcare workers, and boy, oh boy, thank you for helping us get through this terrible, terrible COVID thing. We love our Ninja. We love pumpkins. Not sure how this day is going to play out, but by the end of the day, those pumpkins are going to be in the front of the house. So I did. Hope you enjoyed the ride, sharing it with us. Enjoy the videos. We're sharing our life with you. And I hope you enjoy it too, as much as I enjoy making the videos. Thanks for watching. And we do try to post a day, almost every day, post something. So again, I do hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy sharing the time we spend out on the open road, time we spend working on motorcycles, restoring things, hanging out with the family, cutting pumpkins, who knows what. It's all part of sharing your life. And if your part of your life is motorcycling, even better. And if it isn't, well, I hope someday you share the passion that we all seem to share. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really do enjoy making the videos. I really do enjoy editing them. And again, thanks for watching.